Hi guys, and today we'll discuss about XPath. XPath is the most important topic in Selenium. XPath, why are you using XPath? XPath is identifying objectives, and so many types of XPath is there. And previously, I will explain object identifiers in 8 types. One of the best one type one type is XPath, and XPath is most interesting and important topic in Selenium. And XPath is using to identifying elements, identifying objects, and is the best locator in elements. And XPath is two types. One type is absolute XPath and another one is relative XPath. And absolute XPath is starts with HTML name, and relative XPath starts with attribute and unique attribute. And XPath with attributes are different types of XPaths are there, and XPath with single attribute, XPath with multiple attribute, XPath with text attribute, XPath with contains, XPath with starts with. So different types of XPaths is there, and to find easily identifying objects and elements. And first two types of XPath is there. One type absolute XPath starts with a HTML name, and relative XPath starts with the attribute and a unique attribute. And orange, and how to find XPath? How to find absolute XPath? Starts with HTML tag, and to find the XPath and this login name, I want this login name. How to use to find XPath and absolute XPath to use to find this login name, and to right click on login name and inspect there, and highlighted one is login name, and right click and select copy, navigate copy, and so many copies is there, but we want to one type. The type is absolute XPath. Absolute XPath is copy with full XPath. Okay, absolute XPath is full XPath, copy full XPath. Okay, let's click on this and paste them, and login name X absolute XPath is control V. This starting name is HTML tag, HTML name is there, and we are find the correct XPath. We are fine. and starts with HTML name, and I'm start with HTML name. Okay. And next, relative XPath. How to find relative XPath to series. And next, I want this. I want login name, and relative XPath to find this login name. Right click on login name and inspect there, and highlighted that's inspect login name, and click on right click and navigate copy and navigate. Previously we select copy full XPath in absolute XPath. Present XPath with relative XPath. Click and open, and this is relative XPath. Control V, paste it, and starts with attribute unique attribute. Starts with attribute unique attribute. Okay, starts with attribute and unique attribute, and this the unique attribute, and this the attribute, and as equal to inside the value is attribute, outside the value is attribute value. Okay, inside the value is attribute type, and outside the value is attribute value. Okay, this is the two types of XPaths: absolute XPath, relative XPath. To find these two, and so many XPaths is there, and how to find this so many XPaths. And let's see this: XPath with attributes, XPath with single attribute, XPath with multiple attribute, XPath with text attribute, XPath with contains, XPath with starts with. Let's find these are XPaths. Okay, let's find an XPath with single attribute, and HTML name, attribute, attribute type, attribute value. Okay, and let's the XPath with single attribute, and let's go and name log name and inspect and highlighted, and let's see guys, and press the control plus F, and this type of box open, text box of open, and write the XPath. Write the XPath. What XPath? XPath with single attribute. XPath with single attribute. To write the XPath with single attribute, XPath HTML name, attribute type, and attribute value. HTML name. HTML name is TD is there. TD, and attribute value is equal to inside attribute type and attribute value. Okay, attribute type align equal to control and closes right. Find this align value, and click on align, but so many objects is identified in one attribute, single attribute, so many things are get it. That's the reason, that's the main reason to so many attributes are there. That's the reason so many attributes are there. Then one single attribute finds so many objects and multiple attributes to some attribute, some values. Okay, XPath with single attribute and find the attribute type name, text username, and input name, text password, and input value clear. These are the find me, and let's that find that values. Inspect, what is there? Let's click and once more inspect and input value, input, and name is @name equal to text user name, text username, and find this value. Just click the highlighted, click the highlighted one. This is the object. We are find one single attribute and click this single attribute. Use the single attribute to find the object. This type of this text object to find using single attribute. And next you use multiple attribute to use multiple attribute. And how to find multiple attribute? And XPath with multiple attributes, XPath with multiple attributes, and XPath with multiple attributes. That's a formula is there. That formula is HTML tag name and @ AT and the AV and @ AT and AV. And let's the find the value. And I am finding submit value login button, and find login button, inspect, and I am find the login button, right click and inspect, and the highlighted one is login. Then click and double closes, input, and submit. Type is there, type equal to, and submit and value login, type value. Let's search the value, and first create and name, and submit. Once more submit. Okay, highlighted one. To use multiple attribute to use, find the login object using the multiple attribute, See guys, login object is the multiple attribute. These types also same process is there. Same process is there, and I will also welcome text in narrative ID welcome text. I will find narrative ID welcome text to see this to use narrative welcome text to find narrative welcome text using text using attribute using text attribute. I'm finding my welcome text. I'm using text attribute. I'm using narrative welcome text. Narrative welcome text is there, and click on narrative welcome text and inspect the welcome text, and let's write the, and first control plus F. Click on control F and present the box. And the formula is there. The formula is HTML name and text details. Okay, HTML name and text, HTML name, li HTML name and text equal to welcome narration IT. Welcome narration IT. How we can test? We forget it in process. That find the welcome text object finding. We are using text attribute and finding welcome narration IT object. We are using text attribute and finding welcome narration IT object. These types are also same. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. And